Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to get better sound when you're using your Pulse 3D headsets on your PlayStation 5 by changing the audio modes. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you can easily change your equalizer settings for your Pulse 3D headset on your PlayStation 5 to get better sound in shooters or get like a higher bass boost mode. So let's go over to my PlayStation 5 right now. Then all you need to do is press the PlayStation button and open up this home screen right here. And then go over to sound and select this. Now under here, when you have your Pulse 3D headset turned on and connected to your PlayStation 5, this option will appear. The EQ presets, the equalizer. And we have three different preset options right here. Standard, which everything is set to 0 decibels. And then we have bass boost. And you can see under bass boost, for the 100 hertz, this one is higher up. And then it slowly gets lower as you get to 4K hertz. Then at 10K hertz, it's higher again. Then if we switch over to the shooter mode, this is how it looks. The 1K hertz is about 3 decibels. Then 4K hertz is 2 decibels and 10K hertz is 2 decibels again. And 100 hertz is -1 decibels. So this will allow you to hear better sound in shooters, maybe footsteps coming up behind you or to the side of you, and louder explosions won't rattle your ears nearly as much. Now you have audio mode 1 through 3 right here, and these are just custom audio presets. So if we want to go in here and just customize this a little bit and just try to mimic the shooter, but just take it to a little bit more of an extreme, we could easily. So let's go ahead and try this preset right here. And then if we go up to the top, once we have this selected, we can rename this. So let's do Shooter 2 for this and just type this in. And now it's renamed to Shooter 2 under this list. Now another thing to be aware about is the 3D audio. So if we go to Home and go to Settings, and then go to Sound, and then go to Audio Output, and scroll down under this list, and then go to Adjust 3D Audio Profile. Now this says the sound is played at 5 different heights. Select the one that you can hear closest to your ear level. Each person will hear 3D audio differently. Adjust the settings so that you can hear it just right in your ears. You can press triangle to hear different sample sounds, and you can press left and right on the D-pad to hear just in one ear, or the right ear, or just in the left ear. And then you can move up and down on the D-pad to select your different height. So for me, I think just the default Type 3 is the best. Also make sure 3D audio is enabled for your headphones. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.